So hey love, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Nyechi Chiemela, your skincare enthusiast. Alright, so for today's video I will be reviewing the Aztec healing clay mask. Forgive me guys, for a couple of days now I haven't been able to make videos or vlog as often as I used to. I haven't really been so strong. I've just been been trying to recover, so please sit back and relax. It's a commitment, so I still have to deliver regardless of how I'm feeling now. So I think I'm getting a little much better than before, so sit back and relax. Let's talk about this product. I'll show you guys how to mix the clay. I'll show you, and as well as talk about the benefits and all you should know about the Aztec healing clay mask. Alright, okay, so forgive the way I sound. Like I said before, my apologies. I haven't really been feeling well, so let's dive right into today's video. To mix this product, you need your clean plate and spoon, then of course your apple cider vinegar, and then your Aztec healing clay powder, the number one ingredient for this recipe. Alright, so make sure everything is clean, and then you need at least 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of your clay powder. I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon. It all depends on the amount you want to mix and how much you want to make. Alright, so bentonite clay is the powerhouse that deeply cleanses your skin. Like, this clay is amazing. It flushes out toxins, absorbs dirt from your skin. And of course, research shows that bentonite clay helps in soothing the skin and removing dermatitis, and also helps manage pimples, which is acne, and contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. So of course you need to add your apple cider vinegar, your ACV. I think for this recipe I'm going to add 2 cups of my ACV. Yeah, and then you're going to mix. Make sure you add water to this mixture. You don't need to just put your ACV and use it like that. And of course you can add other ingredients like tea tree oil, natural tea tree oil, or your turmeric powder, but for me I'm just going to use the clay mask the way it was written on the pack. It says just use with apple cider vinegar and water. Yeah, so make sure you mix thoroughly and properly. If you have an oily skin, this is very good. It will help you dry out pimples and control pimples at the same time detoxify your skin, because it is very detoxifying. All right, okay, so over time it may lighten or fade some skin discolorations. This clay mask is super fantastic, and I wish everyone could try it out. Back on Amazon it has a lot of positive reviews, so make sure your consistency looks like this, kind of like custard or pap, for those of us that love custard, or custard lovers or pap lovers. So you use your makeup brush if you don't want to get your hands dirty. Like, this mask is super tight on my face, like seriously. Oh oh my gosh, this is serious, like really. And I look strange. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't mind the weird face I'm making right now. So if you've tried the Aztec healing clay mask, the world's number 1 healing face mask, please comment down below.
Tight, like so tight.